I asked several guy friends and acquaintances what they notice when meeting or spotting a girl for the first time. Here are the top 12 things that they noticed. 1. Your smile. Smiles make the world go round. If he's really interested in you, he'll notice everything, from your dimples to the way your smile hangs in an adorably lopsided way. Always remember the saying, never frown, because you never know who's falling in love with your smile. 2. Your laugh. Unless you went to an uptight finishing school, your laugh is something you can't really control. Even if you sound like a cow, he'll probably find it cute if he likes you. 3. Your eyes. They say that your eyes are windows to your soul, so be sure to pop in contacts and leave those thick glasses at home if you're headed for a night out. That being said, it's true that some guys find glasses on a girl cute, so if you think you can still rock looking good, by all means, go ahead. 4. Your hair. Unless you're meeting in the middle of the rainforest, he'll definitely take your hair into account. It's a big no-no to show up to a party with bad hair, and it's certainly not going to do you any favors if you couldn't be bothered to run a brush through it before leaving the house. 5. Your scent. Guys notice everything, even things that can't be seen. Bad BO is a big no, and so is dousing yourself with EDP. Keep things light and fresh, and you'll score major points in his book. According to Sam, one of the guys who contributed to this list, I don't like it when she puts on too much perfume, as I'm the kind of guy who loves a woman's natural smell. It's sexy and really turns me on. 6. Your style. Turns out, your sense of style will tell him everything he needs to know about you. He's probably not going to notice or care that you're carrying a limited edition Louis Vuitton tote, but he is going to notice if you show up at a party in a t-shirt that's only suitable to be used as a rag. According to Kenneth, one of the guys I spoke to, a woman's personal style gives me a glimpse into her personality. 7. Your teeth. Bad teeth are a surefire sign of bad hygiene. You may be the hottest girl on the planet, but if you have wonky and stained teeth, there's no way he's going to stay interested. Don't wait another day to make an appointment with your dentist for a much-needed scaling and polishing session. 8. Your body. Yes, men love a svelte-looking woman, and your shape is one of the things that he'll notice first. It is always important to don flattering clothing, especially if you're on the prowl for a man. If you have great legs, put on a short skirt. If you've got great boobs, be sure to show off your cleavage. Highlight your assets, and you'll definitely catch his attention. 9. Your skin. In addition to your teeth and scent, your skin is another indication of your personal hygiene. If you've got really bad skin, he's going to assume that you couldn't be bothered to look after yourself. Sure, bad skin could be attributed to your genes, but you can always switch up your lifestyle, or head to a dermatologist. Also, how much makeup you have on plays a role in things. Most guys don't appreciate layers of makeup, as they hide your natural glow. According to Kareem, I like seeing a woman in all her natural glory. The thing about makeup is that it hides what she truly looks like. The last thing I want is to have a heart attack when I wake up next to someone completely different the next morning, and I see my sheets stained with makeup. 10. Your personality. This is assuming he has the courage to come up and talk to you, of course. The same way you don't appreciate snobby and arrogant guys, men aren't interested in chasing an aloof, uncaring woman. 11. How you communicate. There's a difference between being fun and being rowdy. Guys notice right away if you're behaving for the occasion. They will also notice the way you speak to others. Are you loud and aggressive? Gentle and soft-spoken? Getting drunk, being loud, and behaving like one of the dudes is not going to score you any points. 12. The people you're with. Always keep in mind that your friends are a reflection of you. If he's unable to get close enough to meet you, or is too shy to do so, how you interact with your friends and how they behave will tell him everything he needs to know. Don't be surprised if a guy comes up and talks to you because he's drawn to the way you look, but walks away once he gets to know you a bit better. Whether you're aiming for cute or sexy, he's going to notice everything and will only decide if he wants to take things a step further once he has all the facts. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to download your free ebook, How to Make Anyone Fall in Love with You Within Minutes. Link in the description. If you like the video, like it and share it with your friend. If you want more advice and tips, subscribe to the channel.